Experiencing server timeouts in FIFA 24 can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to improve your connection. Follow this easy guide to reduce server timeout issues. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast. You can test your speed using online speed tests and consider switching to a wired connection for better reliability. Step 2. Restart your router. Power cycle your router by unplugging it for about 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. This can help refresh your connection and resolve any temporary issues. Step 3. Update your game. Make sure that FIFA 24 is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches that can fix connectivity issues, so keeping your game updated is essential. Step 4. Change DNS settings. Consider changing your DNS settings to a more reliable service like Google DNS or OpenDNS. This can improve your connection to the game servers and reduce timeout occurrences. Step 5. Limit background applications. Close any unnecessary applications or downloads running in the background on your device. This can free up bandwidth and improve your overall gaming experience. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your connection and a reduction in server timeout issues. Enjoy your gaming.